Hello, John from Peter Tyson. I thought I'd give you a little tour of the Peter Tyson store in Carlisle, where I'm mainly based. So as we go through the main entrance, to the left we've got hi-fi and audio. Straight ahead are TVs and the stairs to the upstairs mezzanine. And to the right we have appliances. Not everybody realises that we do appliances at Peter Tyson. It's quite a big part of our business. Coffee machines, refrigeration, laundry, small appliances and ovens. We've even got our own PT Electricals website. The Sonos display at the front of the store for you to try things out, and there's a small Panasonic room with a little mini cinema area. It's quite a large TV area where you can see LG, Sony and Samsung, and you can see for yourself the differences between the screens and the different screen technologies. And of course Hisense and Lerva as well. And a space where you can try out the Bluetooth portable little connected wireless hi-fis too. The best bit while you're all here, the main hi-fi area. So everything is out on display for the hi-fi guys to try out. We're constantly testing and changing these systems, and the most popular kit is left out for you, the customers, to come and try and have a listen and compare. I like coming over and going through this bit of the store to see what the hi-fi chaps have been playing with and what setups they've been getting excited about. On the other side of the hi-fi department is the Bang & Olufsen section. All the latest products from B&O for you to try out for yourself. Back into the main showroom and up the stairs to the mezzanine, and this is where you'll find our Miele Experience Centre. This has recently been refurbished and looks very smart indeed. And another demo space is large and open plan where we can put big speakers, or I quite like to use it for filming where I need a TV setup. Through from there is a little kitchen area and where our Lynn expert Nigel sits. This is a space we often use for events. And the focal and name area. Again, this has been one of the many places where I've been filming the different systems for the YouTube channel. It's just a nice area. Then we have like a holding area for some of our higher end systems. This is some of the most popular stuff that gets put into the demonstration rooms. So if there is something in particular that you want to listen to, if you let us know in advance, we can get it unboxed and get it all set up into one of our demo spaces just for you. And our smallest demo room. This is quite good to represent what a hi-fi is going to sound like in a smaller room, because not all of us have massive rooms to put our audio equipment in. It's interesting to see the wide variety of systems that get placed in here. Then through into our cinema room with a drop-down screen and projection system. Here we can try all sorts of different speaker packages for all different budgets, different subwoofers, different AVRs, and of course different projectors in the drop-down lift. And finally, the largest demonstration room. In here you will often find some absolute dream systems, and where I used to film when we first started the YouTube channel. Many of the Peter Tyson staff, myself included, can often be found in here just listening to the glorious hi-fi systems. And of course all the staff that keep the Peter Tyson ship afloat, the offices upstairs. This is where the buyers sit and marketing, and you have finance and the people that look after the website. 2 on-site warehouses packed full of lovely products, and more offices with our service department and our web admin and warehouse teams who work very hard to make sure your online orders get to you safely and on time. And this is where I spend most of my time, in my little studio tucked away. This is where I would have general systems set up for me to listen to and to film. And if we kill the lights and set up the studio shot, this is what it looks like when I'm talking to you lovely people. If you made it this far, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little tour around Peter Tyson Carlisle. If you'd like to call ahead for us to set something up for you, the details are on screen. Or just come and pop and say hello. You'll see me in the next video. Take care.